yesterday. It's about a 3.5 hour drive. This is our first started today. This is the warmest day of the week, even though it's very windy. It's about 70 degrees. Just here, and then do the city center and all the attractions on another day. Let's check out this beautiful beach here. This is really nice, long stretches of sand. Goes probably a couple miles. Here we are at Beach Marveloso. So like I said, just right down the street from the Las Arenas beach. And it's pretty much the same, but have this longer boardwalk here that's more open. You can see kids can run around and stuff like that. But other than that, it's about the same. It's like it's going to start raining soon. It's very, very cloudy out. When I was out a little bit early this morning, it was very sunny. But check my phone, I didn't see anything. I guess we'll see. But yeah, it's a very nice beach. I would love it to come here and check it out this summer months as well. See what it's like. So much sand in my eye because of the windiness that's all the sand all over the place. It's crazy. But yeah, it's a very nice beach. Very beautiful. Yeah, it's definitely starting to rain a little bit now. You can see the clouds are getting really, really dark. Hey guys, we are at the City of Arts and Sciences building, and what a beautiful building here. The architecture here is amazing, and it's a lot bigger in real life than you see when you're watching videos or watching a YouTube channel. When they show this, it's a lot larger than I ever could imagine, and it's right across from this beautiful bridge here as well. This blue building is some sort of forum. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Maybe they hold like some sort of events or something like that there. But this building here is just, it's massive and it's so nice. Here we are at the Plaza de la Reina, so the Plaza of the Queen. This beautiful area here surrounded by these beautiful buildings, and there's tons of like restaurants and places to eat dessert all around here as well. It's a great location to come just hang out for the day. So we just finished having lunch. We had paella with chicken and rabbit and vegetables, and it was pretty good. And what else? We had croquettes, chicken croquettes, and batata bravas, a cup of wine, Coke. It was like 60 euro. Here they do, typically you do tip for restaurants about 10%, so it's 60 euros with tax and tip.
Daddy, this is the brother.
So here we're at the Church of El Micalet. So this church claims to have the chalice of Jesus Christ, which has never been fully confirmed, but it's supposed to be placed here. If you want to get in, it's $9 per person. They are all €9, and they also have a family pack where like 2 adults can get in for like €20. So as you guys saw from a little video that I took inside, there's a lot of great places to buy like meats and cheeses, fruits, vegetables, steaks, burgers, all that stuff. So it's a pretty typical market you see around Europe. We saw quite a few markets like this in Portugal as well, in different cities in Spain. It's always good to pick up something fresh, but we didn't need to get anything this time. So just want to kind of take a look. World, and once people come here, it makes them really want to like experience like an actual safari. So I'm guessing it has some similarities there. So I'm definitely excited to check it out. Tickets are a little pricey. It's about $30 US per person, and to park is about $7 and some change per person.